Review Logitech G Pro X. The Logitech G Pro X is a gaming headset that has gained a lot of attention from gamers around the world. As a popular choice for professional gamers, this headset is touted for its exceptional audio quality, comfortable design, and impressive microphone performance. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at the Logitech G Pro X and see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about the design of the Logitech G Pro X. The headset has a sleek and modern look, with a black matte finish and a minimalist design. The ear cups are made of a soft and breathable material that conforms to the shape of your ears, providing a comfortable fit even during extended gaming sessions. The headband is also adjustable and has a comfortable amount of padding, ensuring that the headset sits snugly on your head without causing discomfort. One of the standout features of the Logitech G Pro X is its audio quality. The headset features 50mm drivers that deliver a deep and rich sound, making it easy to hear even the faintest sounds in your game. The audio is also incredibly clear, with no distortion or muddiness even at high volumes. The headset also supports surround sound, which adds to the immersion of your gaming experience. The Logitech G Pro X also comes with a removable microphone, which is one of the best microphones available on a gaming headset. The microphone is noise-canceling and does an excellent job of filtering out background noise, ensuring that your voice comes through loud and clear. The microphone is also detachable, allowing you to use the headset as a regular pair of headphones when you're not gaming. Another great feature of the Logitech G Pro X is its compatibility with different gaming platforms. The headset works with PC, Mac, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and Nintendo Switch, giving you the flexibility to use it with multiple devices. In addition to its core features, the Logitech G Pro X also offers some useful customization options. The headset comes with a software program called the Logitech G Hub, which allows you to adjust various settings like EQ, surround sound, and microphone levels. The software is easy to use and makes it simple to fine-tune your audio settings to your personal preferences. As for its durability, the Logitech G Pro X is built to last. The headset is made of high-quality materials, and the ear cups and headband are designed to withstand regular wear and tear. The detachable microphone is also made of sturdy materials and is unlikely to break easily. One potential downside of the Logitech G Pro X is its price. Compared to some other gaming headsets on the market, it is on the more expensive side. However, given its exceptional audio quality and build, it is worth the investment for serious gamers who value the best audio experience. Another minor issue with the headset is its weight. While the Logitech G Pro X is not the heaviest gaming headset out there, it is still a bit on the heavy side. This may not be an issue for everyone, but some gamers may find the weight uncomfortable during extended gaming sessions. TFTUC Va Kong Trung Lap. In terms of its overall performance, the Logitech G Pro X excels in a variety of gaming scenarios. It handles first-person shooters with ease, allowing you to pick up on even the faintest in-game sounds like footsteps and gunfire. The surround sound technology also adds to the immersion of the gaming experience, making it easier to pinpoint the location of enemies and other in-game sounds.